tu come vai baby I love you.
Green Plastic have put our ocean in that it has been estimated that the volume of plastic will be greater than the volume of fish in the sea.
Why and how is plastic waste an issue for the ocean surrounding vessels?
Our beaches and oceans are becoming a common ground where land-based non-organic waste, including plastic, converge, especially spring tide. The mean of that plastic that continually unmanaged on land is polluting our ocean.
The presence of plastic waste in our ocean is polluting our fish, coral, and mangrove. Plastic often break down into microplastic and stay longer in the environment, becoming a health concern for humans as they enter our water system and the food chain. Health Department of Pesodome encourages the public of Pesodome and their homes and communities areas should be clean of waste to help control the growing population of mosquitoes.
After observing this place, and we found that this place is polluted. As you could see, lots of rubbish has covered the surface. So, I would like to see some words of encouragement to you, our brothers and sisters, that we must keep our marine clean, because our marine is our wealth for today and tomorrow.
Seriously, 2020, you've been bad to me, so I'm gonna take you back to 1975. Where my grandma used to dance with his song.